Chief guests, sir, distinguished guardians, sisters and brothers. Since this school, Janardhan Yadav, he was my student in intermediate, Sant Kabir Inter College, Maghar Basti. His two brothers were also my student. Since he has started this school in the name of Gandhi, APJ Abdul Kalam, Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar, I am proud to say that I had the opportunity to meet Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam as retired English lecturer in Sant Kabir Inter College near the Samadhi of Sant Kabir. Dr. Kalam has come there as president in 2003. The DM of Kabir Nagar invited me to give a memorandum for the development of Kabir Chaura. So I saw him very near. What a great personality he was. His presence reflected it there at the time. I have taught Janardhan and I know him well. Sometimes if I say I know him more than all of you, even his brothers, father, uncle, and so on and so forth. He was a scarce speaking boy of the class, which was very thoughtful, meditative, and very intelligent. He was always first class, but he spoke very little. He never quarreled with any student, and he had very great ideas in his mind at that very time. He was a child, he was a boy, he was growing. It is said, child is father of the man. What a man is found in the seed of a child. So what he had, he had. Now the same thing is coming to practice in life. The institution Gandhi Kalam Public School, the first example. When I came to this school, I sat there, was welcomed by his family members, my students were there. The first photo I saw on the wall, hanging there, was the photo of William Shakespeare. Most of you who are educated must be knowing the name of William Shakespeare. I want to commence my speech with the statement of William Shakespeare, which he has said in his tragedy Macbeth about life. What is life? Tomorrow creeps into the pretty pace from day to day to the last syllable of our recorded time. All our studies have lighted fools the way to dusty death, out brief candle. Life is but a walking shadow. A poor player struts and thrusts his hours upon this stage, and then is heard no more. It is a tale told by an idiot, sound and fury signifying nothing. What is life? Life is a journey from the cradle to the cremation ground, from the cradle to the cremation ground. And for the decoration of this life, from cradle to the cremation, institutions, religious sects, religious groups, all varieties of reformers, dressers, decorators are busy. Education is chief of them. Education is a light of the life of man. Without education, man is like animal. He is also born as animal. He becomes a man after education. So life, what is life? Shakespeare will certainly, if not be taught, Shakespeare is the greatest poet and dramatist of the world. It is said, though I don't agree with, I was English lecturer, and I can proudly say that my Kalidas of Sanskrit is the greatest poet and dramatist of the world, but Shakespeare has also his importance, and therefore every man who knows English, he knows Shakespeare also. So our mission must be to infill, to inculcate in the personality of the child whatever the geniuses had in them. APJ Abdul Kalam, Mahatma Gandhi. Why did Janardhan choose Mahatma Gandhi? You know, when Mahatma Gandhi was shot dead, the first comment came from the mouth of Lord Mountbatten, the then Governor General. He said, in the illustrious line of two great ones, that is Buddha and Christ, the illustrious line of two greats of this earth, that is Buddha and Christ, if any third name is added, it is the name of Mahatma Gandhi. So the greatness of Mahatma Gandhi impressed even Einstein, the greatest scientist. He said, after a period of 100 years, the people of this earth will not be ready to believe that a man like Mahatma Gandhi, with the flesh and blood of Mahatma Gandhi, was born on this earth. So the greatness of Mahatma Gandhi will inspire the students of this school. With this motive, his name has been selected. The name of APJ Abdul Kalam has been selected. The name of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar of Indian Free Government, a very talented genius who suffered the tortures of tyranny, of casteism, which is prevalent due to such ideas. Now those all will be included in this school for education, right up education. The boys coming out of this school will represent Gandhi, they will represent Kalam, they will represent Bhimrao Ambedkar. I have also seen the photo of Swami Vivekananda in the office of the principal of this school. You know, Swami Vivekananda once in America was walking on a road and he was wearing his Akshay robe. The sannyasis that were present here, I am not saying that. The Americans, if they don't like you or like your dress, they will spite upon you. They drag the dress of Swamiji. Swamiji asked, why? Terrorists make your personality. I belong to that country where character makes personality. The students of this school will be character made. They will be APJ Abdul Kalam, they will be Gandhi, and they will be such, I think, this will be the vision of Janardhan Yadav, my dearest student. I had been close to him not as English lecturer, but in his family affairs also. When he was nothing, I was always with him. And so I am so much proud, so much happy that I cannot describe those feelings here at this time. This is not the occasion to describe these things. But you know, my dear students, my dear guardians, you are all dear to me because you are all junior to me. I am senior to all of you, and therefore you are all dear to me. You will not think it otherwise. So Janardhan Yadav's vision will certainly be fulfilled, and I want to conclude myself by saying some lines of Hindi. हर मील के पत्थर पर अल्फाज ही लिख दो, नापाक इरादों से मंजिल नहीं मिला करती, अहले हिम्मत के लिए दूर नहीं है मंजिल, उठे तो कोई मंजिल का इरादा लेकर जनार्दन यादव उठे हैं तो certainly he will get his goal. Thank you all.